Rahim, this is a question of June 12 and second variant and question number 3. And question is, he's saying coefficient of x cube is 90, in the expansion of this plus this. It means plan is what? Find x cube coefficient from here and find x cube coefficient from here, add them equals to 90. This is the whole plan. And he said, give me a value, positive value of a, not negative. So let's start x cube. So I'm starting here. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So first of all, I will do in a, I will tell one expand in a not traditional way, but this I'll expand in another way because 5-mark question. So let's start. So 5c0, a to power 5 minus 0 and x to power 0. Then 5c1, a to power 5 minus 1 and x to power 1. Then 5c2, then a to power 5 minus 2 and x to power 2. Then I have a 5c3, a to power 5 minus 3 and x to power 3. Very clear approach. If make sure if x involved in second place, okay, second place, not in the first place, not here. And naturally, because x in second place, so power of x is always 0. Then x power will become 1, then become 2, then become 3. So gradually the power is increasing, common sense. Okay, so what you will do, you can, because 5-mark question, because conceptual marks question step is there. If you don't write this all and directly write this answer is also acceptable. Okay, but I think so it is better to write like this. So and then I will just choose this only. So x cube coefficient is equal to what? 5c3 rows, 5c3. I choose this one, 5c3, and times to a to power 2, because a to power 2 come from here. And x cube I'm not taking. Why, sir? You can ask me because I said coefficient. And coefficient means I will not take x to power 3. This is done. So, and if you check it here, 5c3, and you can type in 5c3, it is coming, and this part is over. First part is done. And let's go for the second part. 2 minus x to power 6. So I'm expanding 6c0, then 2 brackets, 6c1, then 2 brackets, then 6c2, and 2 brackets, and then 6c3. And again, it has 2 brackets. So here it comes 2, and please don't miss minus sign. So 2 minus x, 2 minus x, and 2 minus x. What is coming here? 6 minus 0 comes here, and 0 comes directly on the top here. So alhamdulillah, 6 minus 1 comes here, and 1 comes here. And 6c2 coming here, and so this actually we have a 10. Sorry, I missed it here. 10a to power 2, the first part. Okay. Now let's talk about the 6c2 comes here. So, and here this 2 comes directly here. Now 6 minus 3 comes here, and 3 comes here directly. Now I will not solve all. I will not waste my time. This directly I take this one. So I'm writing here x cube coefficient equals to 6c3, and 2 to power is a 3, and that's it. And no need to write. But one thing is problem here. What is the problem? That one. So negative x to power 3 actually this is, I can write it now here, negative 1 to power 3 separate and x to power separate. Logic, because this cube, hold on, I explain again. Whenever 2 terms multiplying inside a power on the top, this power goes to both terms separate, okay, like this, a to power n, b to power n. So this 3 will go on if I have x, negative x to power 3, I can say that minus 1 to power 3 is separate and x to power 3 separate. So that is why I wrote here minus 1, and this x cube, no need to write. Logic, because we are writing only coefficient of x cube. So now type it in calculator. So 6c3, it is giving 20, and here 8, and here minus 1. I get negative 160. So it's very, very clear. Now he said that according to plan is given by him as given that coefficient of x cube is equals to 90. And you know it very well because the plus in the middle, it means x cube coefficient from here x cube coefficient from here, add them equal to 90. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, we are close to answer, to finish. And look at here, this is this one plus this one. So I'm writing first term plus second term equals to 90. And this come from here, and this come from here. And that's it, 10a square negative 160. And 10a square plus into minus 160 equal to 90. And this 160 goes there, 10a square equal to 250. And 10 divides, as 0, 0 cancel out, you can say short way. And I'll take a root of the 4, so answer come plus and minus 5. But as he said, a is positive. He said in the question, so a equal to 5, and alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, the point is very clear.